Hello, dear children. We are here with a new chapter, chapter 4, and its solutions. We have already completed the lesson. So now, here I am trying to give you all notes which will certainly help you all. To make your notes, when you get it, you can complete your notes, okay? First is multiple choice question. Number 1, civics is the study of A. rights, B. duties, and C option is both A and B. So we all know rights comes along with the duties. So civics is the study of both A and B. A and B means rights and duties. Second, how many fundamental duties have been mentioned in the Constitution of India? Answer is 11. Number 3, civic sense is a set of moral principles, social principles. And number C, it is given both A and B. So again we know civic sense is a set of moral as well as social principles. So the answer will be C, both A and B. Number 4, a good neighbor should be tolerant and adjustable. Okay? Now, number C, true and false. Civics makes us aware of our rights and duties. It's true. Number 2, rights and duties are separable. Sorry, it's false. Rights and duties cannot be separated, as from the starting I am saying rights comes along with the duties. Number 3, civic sense mirrors one's personality as a whole. Yes, your civic sense will say and speak what kind of person you are. So it is true. Number 4, citizens must uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Correct, so it will be true. Number D, fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. Number 1, there are 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. Number 2, civics touches the political and practical aspects of citizenship. Number 3, the first lesson of civic sense starts from one's home. And number 4, every citizen must be loyal to the state. Now number E, match the column A with column B. Civics is the science of citizenship. Civic sense is termed as social ethics. Citizens must be obedient to the laws. A neighbor and a citizen are complementary to each other. Okay? I think the things are clear to you all. Still, you can see the things here written all together. Standard 4, responsibility of a good citizen, chapter 1, social studies, number A, MCQs. Number C, true and false. Number D, fill in the blanks. Number E, match the column. I have written the correct answers just in front of the questions. Civics is the science of citizenship. Civic sense is termed as social ethics. Citizens must be obedient to the laws. A neighbor and a citizen are complementary to each other. Okay? Now come to the question answers. First question, what do you understand by the term civics? Civics is the study of the rights and duties of citizenship along with working of various institutions of a government. Question number 2, civic sense is necessary for every citizen. Explain your answer with suitable examples. Civic sense is a set of moral and social principles. It reflects the actual personality, responsibility of any person. It motivates children to adopt the basic quality of tolerance, adjustment, and mutual cooperation. Children learn to maintain discipline, cleanliness at home, and also how to walk, talk, and behave in society. Question number 3. Mention any 4 responsibilities of a good citizen. Though there are many responsibilities of a good citizen, here in the question they have asked only 4. So I have managed to write the short ones and the easiest ones which you all can learn now as being a small children. But as you grew up, you have to learn all the responsibilities of a good citizen. So here I have written 4. Number 1 is elegance. Every citizen must be loyal and trustworthy to the state. Number 2, to pay taxes. It is the prime responsibility of a citizen to pay taxes honestly. To cast vote. Right to vote is the pivot of a democratic country. A citizen should cast his vote judicially. Number 4, obedient to the law. A citizen should always be law-abiding and should follow the rules and laws of the land. Number 4. What is the importance of being a good neighbor and a good citizen? Discuss. Here space was little less, so I have adjusted here. Just to get the whole answer in one place. Okay? So see it and learn it nicely. Copy it also. I am reading out this answer. Listen. The importance of being a good neighbor and a good citizen are both always be helpful, sociable, sympathetic, and both of them should be tolerant, adjustable nature and of positive attitude. There should be no angriness and jealousy between them. They should be sensitive to each other's feelings. Okay, so I hope this video is going to help you all.